Welcome. Now we'll tackle exercise 1C, which is factorizing. Let's get on with it. So 1a, 4x plus 8. Clearly the largest common factor to 4x and 8 is just 4. So let's take 4 out. 4 times x is 4x and 4 times 2 is 8. 1b, 6x minus 24. This time the largest common factor to both of these numbers is 3. So 3. Now we're gonna, it's even 6 actually. 6x minus 4. 1c. 20x plus 15. Well, now the largest common factor is 5. So 5, 4x plus 3. 1d. We have 2x squared plus 4. 2 is the largest common factor, so that's 2 into x squared plus 2. 1e. 4x squared plus 20. Largest common factor is 4, so let's take 4 to x squared plus 5. 1f. Okay, 6x squared minus 18x. This time we have both coefficients and variable as common factors, so it's 6x into x minus 3. Okay, 1g. X squared minus 7x. Clearly only x is the common factor, so you have x into x minus 7. 1h. 2x squared plus 4x. 2x is a common factor, so let's take 2x out. We're left with x plus 2. 1i. I have 3x squared minus x. Only x is a common factor, so it's x into 3x, take away 1. 1j. 6x squared minus 2x. 2x is the common factor, so you have 2x into 3x minus 1. 1k. 10y squared minus 5y. 5y is the common factor. We're left with 2y minus 1. 1l. We have 35x squared minus 28x, so that will be 7x times 5x minus 4. Okay. 1m. X squared plus 2x. So that is just x into x plus 2. 1n. 3y squared plus 2y. Clearly only y is the common factor, so it's y into 3y plus 2. 1o. 4x squared plus 12x. 4x is the common factor. We're left with x plus 3. 1p. 5y squared minus 20y. So 5y is the common factor. Left with y, take away 4. 1q. 9xy squared plus 12x squared y. Let's be careful. In terms of coefficients, it's going to be 3 and variables x, y. What's left is 3y plus 4x. 1r. 1r. We have 6ab minus 2ab squared. So I'm going to take 2ab as a common factor. I'm left with 3 minus b. 1s, 5x squared minus 25xy. So 5x is the common factor, and we're left with x minus 5y. 1t, 12x squared y plus 8xy squared. Okay, what we have here, we'll take 4xy as a common factor. We're left with 3x plus 2y, 1u, 15y minus 20yz squared equals to 5y, 3 minus 4z squared. And last 3, we have yv, 1v, 12x squared minus 30. All I can take here is 6. So it's 6 into 2x squared minus 5. Okay, 1w xy squared minus x squared y. We can take xy as a common factor, and we're left with y minus x. And finally, 12y squared minus 4yx. Is it 4x? Yes, it is. So we can take 4y as a common factor, and we're left with 3y minus x. Okay, that is exercise 1c, question 1. Let's dive into question 2. Okay, so 2a of x squared plus 4x, that is just x into x plus 4. 2b, 2x squared plus 6x, we can take 2x as the common factor, and we're left with x plus 3. 2c. Okay, now we will be factorizing quadratics. So x squared plus 11x plus 24. Let's find two numbers that multiply to 24 and add up to 11. That is 8 and 3. So this will be x plus 8, x plus 3. Okay, question 2d. X squared plus 8x plus 12. Two numbers that multiply to 12 and add up to 8 will be 6 and 2. So that will be x plus 6 and x plus 2. Question 2e. X squared plus 3x minus 40. Now the common factors will be negative 3 and plus 8. So it's x minus 3 and x plus 8. Actually, it's minus 5. It's 40. Yeah, minus 5 minus 8. Minus 5 and plus 8 to f. We have x squared minus 8x plus 12. Two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to negative 8 will be minus 6 and minus 2. So that's going to be x minus 6 and x minus 2. 2g. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Here we have a 3 and 2, so that's x plus 3 and x plus 2 to h x squared minus 2x minus 24. There will be 6 and 4 in some combination. It will be positive 4, negative 6. To I x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, will be some combination of 5 and 2, and because it's negative, the lower number must be positive, so it's x plus 2 and x minus 5. Okay, to j x squared plus x minus 20. This is positive 5 and negative 4. So far so good. Okay, 2k. Now the coefficient will be non-different to 1, so 2k. So I have 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. What we have to do is now find two numbers that multiply to 4. It's because we will take that 2 and that 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And we're gonna keep that 5. Okay, and 5. So, okay, two numbers multiply to 4 and add to 5. It will be 4 and 1. Now what we'll do is we'll say that this is equal to 2x squared plus 4x plus x plus 2. Okay. What we'll do with this is we will now take factor of 2x out. That will be x plus 2 plus x plus 2. Okay. So this, because there's 1 multiplied by x plus 2, we'll have 2x plus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, next, 2L. We have 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. So we need two numbers that add to 10 and times to minus 24. Okay, so what can that be? That can be 6 and 4. No, that will not be it. No, it will be 6 and 4. Okay, it's some combination. So that is now 3x squared plus 6x plus 4x minus 8. So that equals to 3x x plus 2 plus 4 minus 4. Let's do it this way. Minus 4 x plus 2. Actually, that was a mistake, because what we're gonna have is 12 and minus 2. 12 and minus 2, so it's 3x squared plus 12x minus 2x minus 8. So that's 3x x plus 4 minus 2x plus 4. So this is 3x minus 2 times x plus 4. That's correct. 2m. So we have 2x squared and 5x squared minus 16x plus 3. So let's find two numbers that add to negative 16 and times to 15. That's minus 15 minus 1. So minus 15 and minus 1. So you have 5x squared minus 15x minus x plus 3. This is equal to 5x x minus 3 plus 1 times x minus 3. So the answer is 5x plus 1 x minus 3. Let's try 2n. Okay, we could start by taking the factor of 6 out. So let's write it out. So 6x squared minus 8x minus 8 equals to, let's take factor of 2 out. So 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. So now I want two numbers that add to minus 4 and multiply to minus 12. That will be 6 and 2 and negative 6. 2 and negative 6. So that's equal to 2 times 3x plus, let's take minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 4. So that equals to 2 times 3x x minus 2 plus 2x minus 2. So it will be equal to 2 times 3x plus 2 times x minus 2, and we could now distribute the 2 either way. So let's say it's 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 4. Okay, part O. So exercise 2O, 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. So two numbers that add to 7 multiply to minus 30. Okay, that will be 10 and negative 3. So that's equal to 2x squared plus 10x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 2x x plus 5 minus 3 x plus 5. Hence the answer will be 2x minus 3 x plus 5. 2p. Okay, let's have a look. We have 2x to the power of 4 plus 14x squared plus 24. So we can let x squared be equal to y. Therefore, we have n divided by 2. So we're going to have y squared, so 2 times y squared plus 7y plus 12. Okay, that equals to 2 times y plus 4y plus 3. Of course, we don't have y, we have x squared, so that equals to 2x squared plus 4x squared plus 3. And that is factorized at this point. 2q. Before we start with these next questions, we need to know the difference of two squares. So a squared minus b squared is simply factorized into a plus b, a minus b. So 2q, x squared minus 4 is equal to x plus 2, x minus 2, 2r x squared minus 49 is equal to x plus 7 x minus 7. To s, we have 4x squared minus 25. This is still a perfect square. 2x times 2x is 4x squared, so that's just 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5. To t, we have 9x squared minus 25y squared, so that's 3x plus 5y times 3x minus 5y. To u, 36x squared take away 4. This is simply 9x minus 2 times 9x plus 2. To v, 2x squared minus 50 equals 2. Well, let's take 2 out. This is not a perfect square. We're left with x squared minus 25. Now this is a perfect square, so that's 2 times x plus 5 x minus 5. Okay, let's try 2w. We have 6x squared minus 10x plus 4. Let's take the factor of 2 out, so 2 into 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. So two numbers that add to negative 5 and multiply to 6. That will be 1 and negative. No, now we're doing this. I think that is as far as we can factorize this problem. Okay. Two numbers multiplied to 6, 6 and 1, 3 and 2. No, it's actually we can do minus 2 and minus 3. So that's 2 times 3x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 2. So that's 2 into 3x x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1. So the answer is 2 times 3x minus 2 x minus 1. And the last problem, to x. Okay, let's write it out. 15x squared plus 42x minus 9. Let's take a factor of 3 out, so that's 3 into 5x squared plus 14x minus 3. So two numbers that add to 14 multiply to negative 15, which will be 15 and negative 1. So that equals to 3, 5x squared plus 15x minus x minus 3. So that's 3 times 5x x plus 3 minus 1 times x plus 3. So the answer is 3 times 5x minus 1 times x plus 3. And that is the end of question 2. Let's carry on with question 3. So let's factorize. Let's start here. 3a x cubed plus 2x. Well, we can only take the factor of x out. So we have x squared plus 2. Let's try 3b x cubed minus x squared plus x. Let's take the factor of x out. Left with x squared minus x plus 1. Okay. Let's see. I need two numbers that multiply to 1 and add up to -1. Okay, and I don't think we have two numbers like this. Okay, let's take part C, x cubed minus 5x. Well, let's take factor of x out. We're left with x squared, take away 5, 3d, x cubed minus 9x. Let's take a factor of x out. We're left with x squared minus 9. However, this is difference of two squares, so this is simply x times x plus 3, x minus 3. Okay, 3e, x cubed minus x squared minus 12x. That's x times x squared minus x minus 12. Okay, here we'll take positive 3 and negative 4. So that's x times x plus 3, x minus 4. 3f of x cubed plus 11x plus, x squared plus 30x. So the answer is x times x squared plus 11x plus 30. 6 and 5. Okay, so that's x into x plus 6, x plus 5, 3g. We have x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6x. Okay, so let's take factor of x out. We're left with x squared minus 7x plus 6. Here we will take -6 and -1, so that's x into x minus 1, x minus 6. Okay, let's try 3h. X cubed minus 64x. Let's take x out, so that's x squared minus 64, which is a difference of two squares. So that's x into x plus 8, x minus 8. 3i. We have 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3x. Again, factor of x comes out, we're left with 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Let's see if we can do something else to this. I want two numbers to add to minus 5, multiplied to minus 6. So that will be 1 and -6. So that equals to x into 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3, which is x into 2x x minus 3 plus 1 times x minus 3, which is equal to x into 2x plus 1 into x minus 3. 3j. We have 2x cubed plus 13x squared plus 15x. Let's take x out again. We're left with 2x squared plus 13x plus 15. So two numbers that add up to 13 multiplied to 30, that's 10 and 3. That's x into 2x squared plus 10x plus 3x plus 15. We have 2x, x plus 5 plus 3, x plus 5. Let's bring it all together. So that's x times 2x plus 3 times x plus 5. Okay. 2k have x cubed minus 4x, which is x into x squared minus 4, which is again a difference of 2 squared, so that's x into x plus 2, x minus 2, and 2l, 3x cubed plus 27x squared plus 16x. Let's take 3x out. We're left with x cubed plus 9, x squared even, plus 9x plus 20. Okay, this will be 5 and 4, so that's simply 3x times x plus 5 times x plus 4, and that is question 3. Let's have a look at question 4. I factorize completely x to the 4 minus y to the 4. So x to the 4 minus y to the 4, it is just a difference of 2 squares. So this will be x squared plus y squared times x squared minus y squared. And we need to see that x squared minus y squared is again a difference of 2 squares. So it's going to be x squared plus y squared times x plus y times x minus y. That's it for this question. Let's have a look at question 5. Factorize completely 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 5x. Let's take the factor of x out first. We're gonna be left with 6x squared plus 7x minus 5. So we need to find two numbers that add up to 7 and times to negative 30. Okay, that will be 10 and minus 3. So that's going to be x times 6x squared minus 3x plus 10x minus 5, which is x into, this will be 3x. We're going to be left with 2x minus 1 plus 5 times 2x minus 1. So the answer will be x into 3x plus 5 into 2x minus 1. Finally, let's take care of the challenge question. So you have 4x to the power of 4 minus 13x squared plus 9. Okay, we need to realize that we can write let's do it on the right hand side, plus 9. Let x squared equals to y. So this is now 4y squared minus 13y plus 9. So I'm looking for two numbers that add up to negative 13 and multiply to 36. Okay, and that will be minus 9 and minus 4. Okay, minus 9 minus 4. So this is equal to 4y squared minus 4y minus 9y plus 9, which is equal to 4y, y minus 1 plus 1 times minus 1 times 9y, minus 9 even, times y minus 1. Okay, good. So this is equal to 4y minus 9 times y minus 1. But remember, y is just x squared. So this is equal to 4x squared minus 9 times x squared minus 1. Both of those are just differences of 2 squares, so that's 4x plus 9 times 4x minus 9 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. And that's 1C completed. Thank you very much.